play, choosing the right battery for the race. In H2GP, battery choice matters. LiPo batteries are lightweight and powerful, offering high energy output, great for speed. Nickel metal hydride batteries are heavier but much safer, making them perfect for new races. Lithium-ion batteries are smaller and more durable than others. To choose the right battery, calculate its watt-hours to ensure it complies with H2GP regulations. Here's how. Multiply the battery's nominal voltage by its capacity. For example, a 7.4 volt LiPo with 3,600 milliamps capacity equals 7.4 times 3.6 equals 26.64 watt-hours. Always stay with the maximum allowed watt-hours for your race category. Match your battery to your race strategy and regulations to keep your car powered and compliant.